Hi, I am Imal Aswath. I am going to teach for 12th standard. The chapter is continuity and differentiability. If y equal to sine of sin x, then prove that d square y by dx square plus tan x into dy by dx plus y cos square x equal to 0. So for that first we have to find d square y by dx square, and here it is dy by dx. Then again we have to find y. Again we have to find that is y cos square x. So for that first we have to differentiate y. So y equal to what is given? Y equal to sine of sin x. On seeing this, you thought that this is very difficult, but it is very simple. You have to treat this one as x. Then it is very easy. So first dy by dx equal to sin x. Sin x is what is the differentiation of sin x? That is cos x. Then you have to, that is the differentiation of x. In the place of x you are having sin x. So that is equal to sin x is cos x. Sin x is cos x. So sorry, here that is sin of sin x. Therefore cos of, in the place of x you are having sin x into differentiation of sin x, that is equal to cos x. So dy by dx. Next you have to keep this one as 1. You have to keep this one as 1. Then next d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square. For that here this is u, this one is u, this one is v. So first you have to keep u as constant, cos of sin x. Then differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Next one you have to cos x differentiate by cos x. Then next here it is plus. Then you have to keep cos x as like that. Then cos of sin x. So cos of sin x is, differentiation of cos is minus sin into sin x, sin of sin x. Next sin x, differentiation of sin x is cos x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. Now here it is cos of sin x. Therefore cos of sin x from this one dy by dx, 1 by cos x into dy by dx. That is equal to 1 by cos x into dy by dx. Because here the question it is asked to prove that dy by dx. So I have to multiply, that is 1 by cos x dy by dx, and here remaining things is minus sin x. Minus sin x. Then here minus, this one is minus, here cos x here it is minus sin x. Therefore here minus sin x, then cos of sin x, that is cos of cos x we have to keep like this, and cos it is minus sin of sin x into cos x. Therefore here minus cos square x into sin of sin x. Sin of sin x. Next here it is, here cos square x, this one sin of sin x is the problem. Therefore it is y. Therefore it is equal to 1 by cos x dy by dx. Sorry, 1 by cos x here minus sin x, so tan x, minus here it is tan x dy by dx. Here minus y cos square x, minus y cos square x. You have to bring this one to this side. So what you get is d square y by dx square plus tan x dy by dx plus y cos square x equal to 0. Y cos square x equal to 0. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.